Hello, this is Sally from the Crochet Web. Today I want to show you how to make these two spring flowers, and it's from my pattern which is called the Quartet of Spring Flowers, which is available on my Etsy store. If you just go on Etsy and search for the Crochet Web, or I will link it down below. So you need some crochet cotton. If you haven't got any, just to practice or use up some scraps, you can use double knitting. I've got a 3.5mm hook, and then you just need your normal darning needle, your little scissors. I'm going to pop these two to one side because I've done these in the other video that's in this collection. You can find them on this playlist. So I'll pop those to one side. We're going to start with this one, which teaches you how to kind of bring stitches together just within one stitch at the top. So we'll start with that one, and then we'll go on to the cutesy bright coloured one. This looks amazing in lots of different colours. You could make a summer bunting out of it. So we're just going to start with our first starting loop, and we're going to make 8 chain for this lilac flower. This is a crochet along, so feel free, grab a cuppa, pick up your hook and have a practice. So there's my 8, and then I'm going to join into a circle. So slip stitch into that first chain, keep 2 loops on the top so you don't stretch it, and pull through again, and you've got a circle. So this is where it seems complicated, but honestly it's really not once you've got the hang of it. So your first move is to make 4 chain. And as you've probably seen from my previous videos, I like to crochet this tail end in, stops it flapping about, and then it's easiest to snip off at the end. So you're going to work 2 double crochets into this circle, but leaving the last stage of each double crochet. Right, I'll start that again. You're going to work 2 double trebles, but you're going to leave the last stage of each double treble on the hook. I'll show you. So round twice into the circle, catch hold, yarn over your hook, through 2, yarn over, through 2, and you're going to leave those 2 on, and then we're going to do another double treble into the circle, catch hold, through 2, through 2. You should be left with 3 on your hook. So you're going to go around and through all 3, and you will see it brings together those stitches, so you can see how it's formed a little petal. And then in between we're going to do 5 chain. And then we're going to do 3 double trebles into the circle, leaving the last loop of each one on the hook. So this is your first one. Oh, what have I done? Let's take that out, start again. We're going to leave the last one on each hook. So sorry about that. Right, round twice. Concentrate. Talking to me, not you. Right, leave that on. Round twice in the circle. Catch hold. You go through 2, through 2. and we're going to do one more. The reason we didn't do one more on the last one is because the first set of chain counted as that first stitch. So we're going to go around twice into the circle, round and through 2, round and through 2, and then this time you're left with 4 on there. So you're going to go over, yarn over and through all 4, and then you're going to do your 5 chain. So that's the pattern. 5 chain, that's the pattern. So you do your 3 double trebles but leaving the last loop on, and then 5 chain. So, and that's 4 times more, but we've done 1, so 3 times more from here. One, left the last 2 stitches on. This is a really easy flower and quick once you get the hang of it. Second one, and this is the third one. I hope you're enjoying these crochet alongs. I'm finding them very therapeutic, and I love sharing my absolute passion. So 5 chains, and then another set, and this is the last one of that set, and then through the 4 loops on your hook. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 2 more. I'll just finish off that set with the 5 chains. We've got 2 more of those to do. Nearly did it again. It's really good for concentrating this, isn't it? Mindfulness. Can't let your mind wander, or it soon susses you out, brings you back to earth with a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, I'm going to do my last set, and that crochet tail end is well and truly crocheted in now. It's kind of getting in my way. Okay, there we are, and then we're going to do 5 chain, and this flower is finished. Just a slip stitch into that top chain there, to fasten it off, pull it through, pull that tight, and there we have it. So therapeutic. And we have, I don't know what I'm going to do with all these little flowers. Might make them into a bunting, might use them on as embellishments on a sewing project. Look at those. Right, the next one we're going to do, I'll put the lilac aside, so we need the white, or whatever colour you want for the middle of this one. On the pattern, if you do get the pattern, it's the red and white flower. I've done it in hot pink and white on this one. So with your white, you're going to do 6 chains, and then you're going to join with a slip stitch to make your inner circle. So 1, so make a smaller inner circle, I've done that first chain a little bit tight, So I will get in there. There we go. So that's your circle. And the first round in white is going to be 1 chain and 9 double crochet into the circle centre. So your chain counts as your first double crochet. Double crochet, I'm talking in UK terms. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, join with a slip stitch, and then you are going to fasten this white off and join with the red. I've done this really quite tight and it really hurts me at the moment, and now I've split the wool. Right, let's fasten that off, pull that through. There we go. That's not too bad considering. Okay, so that's your middle, and then we're going to put the white aside and grab your second colour, and you're going, I mean, you can join anywhere. I tend to join where I fastened off. Let's do the starting loop. Okay, make sure your work is the right way around and join your second colour to your first colour. Right, here we go. Second round, 4 chain. This is quite an easy set of petals. And then you're going to do 2 double treble in the next double crochet. So into this hole here, 2 double treble. That's your first one. Excuse me. And that's your second one. And then to go back down this other side of this petal, we're going to do 4 chains, and then we're going to go a double crochet into the next double crochet, and that is your petal. Okay, so you've got your 4 chain up, 2 double trebles into 1 stitch at the bottom, and then 4 chains down, and then we come straight out of that section and do the same again. So we go 4 chains up, 2 double treble in the center, in the center double crochet, and then 4 chains back down and attach with a double crochet to the next available stitch. Okay, let's do that again. 4 up, 2 double trebles in the next stitch, and then there we go. Same again, another twice, I think. How stunning would this be in all the bright colours, or even all pastels? twice round. I can just imagine it in turquoises, reds, yellows, hot pink. Four stitches to go down, 4 chains, double treble, and hopefully we've got enough stitches left. So you should have got 2 left. And then 2 double trebles into this one. These flowers are just amazing for practicing your stitches. If you've kind of sussed the beginner stage, but you still need to practice all the different stitches, they are all in these flowers. If you want the written pattern, it's on my Etsy shop. If you want to share photos of your finished flowers, you can find me on Instagram at the Crochet Web. Just tag me, and I'll share you to my story. I would love that. I'm just going to do a little slip stitch into there just to finish it off and tighten it all up at the end. And that is your finished, except for tying in the ends, which I'll have to do later. Not my favourite job. There you go. That is today's 2 flowers. Thank you for watching. Would appreciate you subscribing. Would love that. Thank you very much. Bye.